In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. First, open Trust Wallet on your device. Before you begin, make sure the app is up to date so the swap interface works smoothly and you see the latest token lists and rates. A quick update from your official app store can prevent errors and failed transactions. Once you're in, find your USDT balance. You'll want the USDT that's on the tron network, which is labeled USDT TRC20. This network tag matters. If your USDT is on a different chain like ERC20 or BEP20, the swap path will be different, so double check that the token name shows TRC20 right under it. Tap your USDT TRC20 to open its asset page. On the USDT page, look for the option that says swap or trade. Depending on your app version, the button text may vary, but both take you to the same conversion screen. Tap it to open the swapping interface. Now set the from field to USDT and the to field to TRX. The app should automatically select the right token logos and networks, but it's always smart to confirm that the sending asset is USDT TRC20 and the receiving asset is TRX on the tron network. This helps avoid cross-chain mistakes. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert. As you type, Trust Wallet will show you an estimated amount of TRX you'll receive. Keep in mind that this number can change slightly due to market movement and liquidity. If you're converting almost your entire balance, consider leaving a tiny margin to cover any small provider or rounding differences. Before you proceed, review the network fees and the swap rate. On Tron, fees are usually low, but they can vary with network congestion. You may also see a quoted price impact if your order size is large relative to the available liquidity. Take a second to read the minimum received or similar protection fields, which indicate what you'll get after fees and slippage. If something looks off, adjust the amount or wait for a better rate. When everything looks good, tap confirm to complete the swap. The transaction will process on the tron network, which is typically fast. You might see a brief pending status. Then your TRX balance should update in your wallet. If you want more details, you can open the transaction record from the wallet to see confirmations and the final amounts. That's it. You've converted USDT TRC20 to TRX in Trust Wallet. Keep your app updated, verify token networks before swapping, and always review fees and rates so you know exactly what you're receiving. Thanks for watching and happy trading.